Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Presentation Skills. Friends, my name is Muhammad. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a stunningly beautiful 3D swing with the help of Paint 3D that is already available in Windows 10 and PowerPoint. So we'll combine these two softwares today to create a very beautiful 3D swing. So without further ado, let us get started. So to create this swing, we need to open Paint 3D. So we'll go to Windows Explorer and we'll choose Paint 3D. So this is Paint. Here it is. Okay. So we'll click on it and we'll open Paint 3D. Then we'll open a new project. And in this new project, what we'll do is we'll go to Canvas and we'll turn it off. Okay. And then what we'll do, we'll just go to 3D shapes and we'll choose a cylinder. Okay, and we'll resize it. You just have to follow my footsteps. Whatever I'm doing, you just follow that. So you'll be easily able to create this swing. So after creating and resizing the cylinder, all we need to do is we need to rotate it in the z-axis. Okay, this is z-axis 10 degrees like this. Okay, and then just click on it and copy this by clicking on Ctrl C and paste it by clicking Ctrl V. So after copy pasting it, you have to go here, flip horizontal. On this option, you have to click on it and it will get flipped horizontally. So you hold the shift key and drag it like this so that it stays in the same line. Okay, so once that is done, you select all and group them by clicking here, or you can also press Ctrl G, that will group the shapes. And after doing this, you need to rotate this in the y axis 90 degrees, just like this. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is click on Ctrl C, copy this and paste it by clicking on Ctrl V. Okay, and click on the shift key and drag it here. So this has already created the basic structure of our swing. So at this juncture, we need to select all by clicking on Control A and group them. Then you can go ahead and copy them like this. Okay, and then you can paste it in the PowerPoint just like this. So it's come here. So if you want to change the color, what you can do, you can change the color as well in the PowerPoint 3D itself. So you just go edit color and then click here. So it will change the color. It looks nice. Okay. So this color is looking nice. So you again copy this by clicking on Control C and just paste it here like this. It will take a bit of time, so you need to be patient because whenever you are dealing with 3D models, the system will certainly take some time. You click on shift key and just resize this a bit so that it looks larger on the slide. There is enough space for us to accommodate this, and if you want, you can also zoom out. Okay, so you can click, just keep it here, so this will be good. And if you want, you can align it to center, so that will come to the center of the slide. So this is the first part of our task is over. So now we don't require these legs of the swing. We just have to click on it and hit on the delete key. That will delete the legs of the swing. So now we have to create the seat. For that, we just need the cube. We just have to click on it and we have to resize this. So what we'll do, we'll just drag it towards the downwards, and okay, and then in the x-axis we'll rotate it like this. Okay, 90 degrees, and then we'll shorten it until it's okay for us to consider. Then at this juncture, you just have to click on Control C and Control V, copy this and change the color of this shape to yellow, and then in the z-axis you need to rotate it to 100 degree like this. You just have to follow the steps that I'm showing, then you'll be easily able to create this swing animation. So seat is almost ready. I just keep it in the appropriate place so it looks good. And then we need the tube. Just click here and resize this as well, then lengthen it like this. Okay, this looks good. So you go to animation instead of matte, you can do polish metal. So this looks nice. You can change this one also. You can change the color, metal, polished metal. So that looks good, and you can make it thin and just keep it here. It looks good. So you just click on Control A and rotate it in the y-axis like this. Okay, and you can make it thin just like this, and then you just have to copy this. Control C, Control V, click on the shift key and drag it until the end of this seat, and do the same thing with this shape as well. Just bring it here and leave it. Okay, so this way the seat of our swing is almost ready. So we just zoom it out a bit so that we can see what we have done so far, and then we have to select the sphere, and we have to bring it right at the center of this swing seat, and we have to resize it. Hold the control key and just drag it so that it remains in the center of the of this shape. Okay, so it's good. So what you need to do now is you just drag it a bit. Okay, keep it here. It looks good. So we just select all, group it, and then copy this, go to PowerPoint and paste it here. In a while the presentation on swing animation will be ready, so we just have to wait until it gets pasted. So it's already pasted now. So all you need to do is just resize it, drag it a bit. Okay, until you're convinced that this is how you want this to look in your presentation. So it's looking good. Yeah, that will work. Then you can go to this 3D model align option and align it to center. Okay, so now all you need to do is select this particular shape and go to the animation, and you just click on this swing animation. Okay, swinging that way, you go to effect option and choose up, and then you choose the strong, and then go to choose the continuous as well. So you go open the animation pane, and go to effect option, see everything is fine. You just click on this with previous, start with previous, so everything is fine. So now we'll fit to the slide, and now we'll just go to the slideshow and see how it's looking. It's looking good, but we need to adjust it a bit. So we'll just drag it a bit like this. We have enough space in the slide, correct? So we'll adjust its size, and we'll bring it down like this. We go to 3D model, align it to center. This one as well, align it to center. Now we'll see how it's looking. It's looking good. Make it go a bit up, then we'll see how it is looking. Now I guess everything is fine. This is how you'll be able to create the stunningly beautiful 3D animations. You can use Paint 3D and the PowerPoint to create such beautiful animations for your presentations. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with as many friends of yours as possible. um, I hope you like this video. By this, I'll be signing off. Thank you.